This is Winter 19 variant 3 question 6 on complex number. First part says w express w in the form x plus iota y, where x and y are real and exact. So the modulus of this complex number is given as 1 and its argument is pi by 3. So we can write it in the modulus argument form first, which is 1 times cos pi by 3 plus iota sine pi by 3. Now if we just plug in the cos pi by 3 value, which is half, and iota sine pi by 3 is root 3 over 2. So this is how we can express w in the form of x plus iota y. Now the second part is the complex number 1 plus 2i is denoted by u. The complex number v is such that its magnitude, the magnitude of v is 2 times the magnitude of u, and the argument of v is equals to argument of u plus pi by 3. So you have to sketch an Argand diagram showing the points representing u and v. So for this, what we have to keep in mind that the x and y marks are equal. So let me take a grid. So on an Argand diagram, if we have to represent u and v, so you should mark the x and y axis, and it should be same scale. This is the requirement of the question. Whenever you make the Argand diagram, you take same scale on both the axes, both the real and the imaginary axis. So the first number is u, which is 1 plus 2i. So we mark 1 on, we count 1 on the real axis and 2 on the imaginary axis. This is the place where you have to mark u. This is the point u. The second thing is that you have to mark on the Argand diagram is the point v. So the magnitude of v should be 2 times the magnitude of u. So we also have to write down the magnitude of u here, which is, if we look at the complex number u is 1 square plus 2 square, that makes it root 5, under root 5. So argument of u plus pi by 3, that's what we have to mark. So since it cannot be at exact position, so we have to mark it approximately correct. So this is how we have to do it. So we have to show the point representing v in relatively correct position. So is the argument of u first, and then we add pi by 3 to it, that will be the argument of v. So if we find out the pi by 6 here, so that should be approximate, so it should be somewhere here in this direction, the pi by 6. So v can be in this direction, v can be somewhere in this direction, and since it has twice the magnitude of u, so you have to mark it in relatively correct position. So you have to take it twice the distance. So we can just take it approximately the twice correct position. So that's the position of v on the Argand diagram. So let me just make this line again. So that's the relatively correct position of v on the Argand diagram. So it has the argument of v here is, let me write, so that's argument of u plus pi by 3, which is 60 degree angle. So this is the position of v here. So this is the part 2, where we have to show u and v on the Argand diagram.